everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets science and honest reviews come to life. Today I'm taking a close look at the Shark XSKHD 3RBA SpeedStyle Express Touch-Up Brush. If you're someone who loves quick, polished blowouts and styling with precision, especially when it comes to bangs or shorter layers, this might catch your eye. It's designed specifically as an attachment for the Shark SpeedStyle HD 300 series blow dryers and promises styling with zero heat damage. Let's see how it really performs. This tool is all about shaping, smoothing, and taming those tricky areas, bangs, layers, and ends without frying your hair. It features a ceramic-coated barrel, which is great for even heat distribution, helping to minimize frizz and boost shine. Plus, it has a manual spinning function via a cool touch knob, letting you control the rotation for soft bends and natural movement. It's marketed for all hair types, whether you're rocking straight, wavy, curly, or even coily strands. The idea is to get that bouncy, voluminous finish quickly and gently. Now, I incorporated this brush into my routine using the compatible Shark SpeedStyle dryer. And I have to say, it's a clever design. The manual spin knob is intuitive and lets you work through your hair with a level of control that most powered rotating brushes don't offer. This was particularly handy when styling my bangs and adding subtle volume to the ends without the usual hassle of battling tangled strands. The ceramic coating did a decent job smoothing my hair and cutting down on frizz, although if your hair is very thick or coarse, you might find yourself going over sections a few times. The brush feels lightweight and comfortable in hand, and it's easy to switch attachments if you own the HD 300 series dryer. One thing to note, since it's an attachment, the overall performance depends heavily on the blow dryer's power. So if your dryer isn't up to speed, this brush won't perform optimally. I found it best suited for quick touch-ups and styling bangs or shorter sections, as promised, rather than full head blowouts on longer hair. Let's weigh the good and the less impressive. On the plus side, the no heat damage claim holds up well thanks to the ceramic barrel and controlled airflow from the Shark dryer. The manual spin feature gives you styling precision and avoids tangles that automatic brushes sometimes cause. It's also genuinely versatile across hair types and easy to clean after use. On the downside, this tool is limited to Shark's HD 300 series dryers, so it's not a universal fix. Also, for very thick or dense hair, you might need extra time, which takes away from the express styling promise. The manual spinning might not suit those who prefer fully automatic brushes. Price-wise, this attachment lands in the mid-range category. Considering it's a specialty accessory requiring a specific dryer, it's a reasonable investment for those who already own the Shark SpeedStyle system. If you don't, the cost of buying both might outweigh the benefits unless you're serious about your at-home blowouts. Alternatives like the Revlon One Step or Dyson Airwrap offer full standalone styling tools, although with different price points and tech. Build quality is solid, the ceramic barrel feels durable, and the cool touch knob is sturdy enough for daily use. Since it's just an attachment, long-term durability depends on both the brush and the compatible dryer maintenance. Shark's customer support has a good reputation, but I haven't personally needed to reach out for this product. If you want a quick, heat-safe solution specifically for bangs and shorter hairstyling and already own a Shark HD 300 series dryer, this touch-up brush is a smart addition. But if you're looking for a universal tool or full head styling, it might not be the best fit. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for spending time with me here on Beautyistic. If you've used the Shark Express Touch-Up Brush, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your styling tips or experiences. The purchase link is waiting for you in the description box. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.